So now, I'm going to unbox. Oh no, not only me, but also my boyfriend. We are going to unbox something. So we have here our mystery box. Yeah, it's so big. I know already what's inside because I bought this. I ordered this online, and my boyfriend will help me to unbox this one. So let's go. You can
Okay, let us unboxing the box.
just
Nice.
open it. Just
Let us
open.
unboxing the box.
No unboxing. Langsam. Just make it slowly. Ooh. Wow.
So many papers.
One.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 little papers.
Ooh, wow.
Nice. Das ist
Wow, big box. A big box. Just a waste. Make it flat. Flat. Ooh, wow. What it's inside?
a guitar.
So what's that? There's a plastic.
So,
Oh, wow.
a bag for the guitar.
Smells plastic.
Totally.
Oops, langsam.
Here. What's the name?
Ibanez.
Ibanez. Okay. Clip-on tuner.
Ah, there's a tuner already. Wow.
And like a bag.
Ah, okay. For the guitar.
And a little tool.
Oh, there's already this one.
Yeah, I think persons who play guitar know how to call this little thing. I have no idea yet.
Yeah, you will learn to know that.
Yeah.
Ooh, wow, wow, wow. Oh, so nice.
Actually, I have birthday in April, but it seems my birthday changed into July. The sounds are not the guitar, the sounds are from the packing.
Oh, wow.
Plastic. Guys,
So nice.
look at this.
So cleansed.
Looks like a really nice retro guitar.
So what are you doing now?
I remove the paper from the
String.
stream or
Strings.
strings, stream, or like I would say, guitar sides.
You have to tune it first before we could use it. Emma, you have to remove the paper.
Oh, why does the paper?
Yeah, we have to tune it first.
Well, I thought we have to read how to tune it.
Yeah, we will learn that.
And I think I now will put my house.
Are you happy?
I'm very happy. Salamat mahal. Mwah.
You're welcome. I super love it. I super love it. Okay.